Hey there mga Marts! Today we are going to review another hair product that I use, and I just bought this recently. So I always saw this in TikTok and other reels, and it really intrigues me. So it's not expensive, so I bought one. And yes, by the way mga Marts, sorry, I will make a voiceover, and yeah, I am making a voiceover because the audio was not captured. The mic wasn't turned on. So yeah, let me show you. This is the one step hair dryer and styler. This is a hot air brush. All right, so here it says here smooth freeze free. It blowouts in half the time. So the good thing with this one, mga Marts, is you can blow dry your hair and style it at the same time. So here it is. Let me get it for you. So ayan mga Marts. It also has a instruction or a pamphlet, which I don't read because yeah, I had so many, and I know now how to use this. Okay, so as you can see, it's a brush. It feels so light mga Marts, hindi siya mabigat. And yan, dito yung kanyang mga knobs, like you can turn it on here. Ayan, yung this part is the knob. So you can put it on low, medium, and high. So the handle is just right for me. It's not so big and it's not so small. So this is what I was pointing out earlier. The knob. So when you turn it on, it sounds more like a hair blower. Alright, so let us try the product. And my hair on the left side is wet. I splashed some water for us to see how it will dry and be styled with the product. And on my right side is dry. So let's see, and let us use this hair dryer and styler in one. So ayan mga Mards, magaan lang siya. From the other products that I am using, or the hair tools that I am using, I think this is the lightest so far. So hindi nangangawit yung aking kamay. And it's so easy. You just brush your hair. Yeah, if you can see, it's still wet. And I can feel that it's already drying. So if you can see, the front part is almost dry now. So yeah, it's easy. This is really good. This is really a great tool to use, especially if you are in a hurry and want to dry your hair and style it. Ayan mga Mards. So I want it to be not frizzy, and ayan, look at it. It's already styled and almost dried. So mga Mards, ayan, if you can see, there are no more frizzy hair. Ayan, tingnan ninyo. And then, the other side, ayan, natuyo na siya. And it's not, uh, they don't have freezes and wala na rin siyang fly away. O, diba? Ang ganda. And on the other side as well. And yes, it is faster and less damage. Ayan, so, ayan, may mga naiwan ding mga plastic from the packaging, pero hindi siya nasunog. Friendly to your hair, hindi masasunog yung hair nyo. And the brush help reduce moisture in the hair for faster drying and less damage. So it also reduces frizz and static. So yun, nawawala rin yung static ng ating buhok, which make the hair soft and shiny. So yes mga Mards, naging soft yung hair ko. As you can see, my hair has color. So usually yan, magaspang. And now it also is soft. And yeah, that is true to its claims. And as I have said earlier, magaan siya. It is lightweight design. So ceramics high quality spread the heat for all the surface of the plate. So may ceramics pala yan sa loob. So negative ions surround each hair strand, eliminate static and frizz, providing soft hair and brighter, sabi dito. I don't know kung ano yung sinasabing brighter. Also has a 360 degrees swivel cord. Ibig sabihin nun mga Mards, kahit gamitin nyo, di ba yung cord is nagbubuhol-buhol, but this one will not kasi umiikot yan. So hindi siya magbubuhol-buhol. And then it has also a tourmaline technology. It is a unique crystal process that produces a high volume of negative ions when combined with infrared heat. So meron siyang negative ions, meron din siyang infrared heat. So yung infrared heat, yun yung ginagamit para dun sa ating hair. So natatanggal yung kanyang frizziness. And it is also tested in salon technology. It provides less damage to hair cuticles, creating a smoother, silky final finish to your hair. Kaya mga Mards, okay siya kahit basa ang inyong hair. Okay, so etong mga bristles ng brush, it is flexible, tangle-free bristles. So with massaging ball tips helps dry smooth and style hair in half the time, while the massaging ball tips are gentle to the scalp. Totoo yan mga Mards. Tingnan nyo, try ko. Ang lambot talaga. Hindi yung, alam mo yun, yung parang, di ba if you brush your hair, you can feel the tip of the brush na parang matigas. This one, so soft. It's also scalp friendly. And yes, mga Mards, I recommend this to those people who are always on the go, especially moms, and to other women who are or you don't have enough time to style your hair or to blow dry your hair. Usually yung mga lumalabas na basa pa yung buhok, like pasok ng office, and what they do only is suklayin lang yung hair nila. But if you have this one, you can just brush your hair and matutuyo na rin siya. You don't need to blow dry your hair and then brush your hair. So this is a must-have, mga Mards, must-have. I think I'm not going to use my hair blower now because I have this. And I will just look for a holder of this one because my hair blower has a holder. So yung ilalim noon saksakan. So if I'm going to use the hair blower, I'll just get it and put it back in a holder, and this one doesn't fit there, so I think I have to look for a holder for this one kasi dapat nandun lang sa harap ng hairdresser nyo yan or salamin para pag gagamitin nyo when you are in a hurry, it's just there. Hindi yung pag nakabox pa siya and then kukunin mo pa, ilalabas mo pa sa box, 'di ba? Lalo kapag nagmamadali ka, it's a no-no. So, it must be there and it should have a holder, mga mards. So, mga mards, if you want a hairstyler and a blower in one, if you have less time to spend for yourself, like if you go out with family, I recommend this. It is a must-have, really. Thank you so much, mga mards. I will see you again on my next one. Bye!
Yeah.